Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Cranberry season is here, so today we're making the Winter Mule, a delicious cocktail that blends winter and tropical flavors with the classic Moscow Mule template. Shout out to Rob's Home Bar for this recipe. For ingredients, you'll need vodka. I'm a Kettle One truther, but choose your poison. Cranberry juice, the good stuff. Keep ocean spray on the shelf. Allspice dram. Homemade is best, but I don't mind the Hamilton bottle. Freshly squeezed lime juice. And ginger beer. The Great Gentleman is a nice spicy one that cuts through the sweet, but the Canada Dry stuff is good and is much more accessible. Gather all of your ingredients, a festive highball if you've got one, and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, festive highball, and fill it with ice. Start with a couple ounces of ginger beer to mitigate your next ingredients from settling to the bottom. Then get your jigger and measure a quarter ounce of allspice dram. One and a half ounces of vodka, a half ounce of lime juice, and your heaviest ingredient last, 1 ounce of cranberry juice. Top with ginger beer. More. Garnish it with festive ingredients, or take a shortcut and add some bright red cherries that pop. Sometimes glassware doesn't quite match with these metal cocktail picks, so I keep wooden ones on standby for just such an occasion. Add a straw and let's taste. Ginger, cranberry juice, and allspice blend effortlessly together with some extra tartness from the lime juice. Really tasty treat for those who like Christmas spice and their drinks on the tart side. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite winter riff on a classic? Let me know down below. If you enjoy this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.